Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Future Drive, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we've got something truly exciting, the new Tesla Cyber Pickup Model 2025. Trust me, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. Tesla has once again redefined the future of driving, and this time, they're shaking up the pickup truck market. The all-new Tesla Cyber Pickup Model 2025 is not just another truck, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With groundbreaking technology, a futuristic design, and unmatched performance, it's clear that the Cyber Pickup is more than just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. The 2025 model carries forward the bold, angular look that first turned heads when Tesla unveiled its prototype. The sharp, geometric edges and robust stance make it look more like something from a sci-fi movie than a traditional pickup truck. Now, let's talk about performance. This isn't your average work truck. The Cyber Pickup Model 2025 is powered by Tesla's next-generation all-electric powertrain, delivering a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, under 2.5 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars on the road today. Whether you're on the road or off it, the Cyber Pickup is ready for anything. With an advanced suspension system and a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, it's designed to handle both work and play. And, of course, it comes with Tesla's autopilot features and full self-driving capabilities, making long drives safer and more enjoyable. With over-the-air software updates, your truck gets smarter the longer you own it. Step inside, and you're greeted by Tesla's signature minimalist design. The Cyber Pickup 2025 features a massive 17-inch touchscreen that controls nearly everything, from climate to navigation. It's not just about the tech, though. The interior is spacious and designed with comfort in mind. From premium materials to ample cargo space, Tesla has thought of everything. Plus, the cabin is completely customizable, with multiple seating configurations to fit your needs. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Tesla Cyber Pickup will start at $55,000, which is surprisingly competitive for all the technology, performance, and features you're getting. Of course, there will be multiple configurations, so the higher-end models can go up to $75,000 depending on the options you choose. With Tesla's unmatched battery efficiency, you're looking at a range of over 500 miles on a single charge, making this the perfect vehicle for both work and adventure. So there you have it, the 2025 Tesla Cyber Pickup is truly something special. From its insane acceleration to its futuristic features and sleek design, this truck is built for the future. But what do you think? Is this the pickup truck of the future, or does it miss the mark? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we want to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting updates from Future Drive. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.